Tools challenge quiz. It's now time for the speed challenge. You have 3 1-minute sessions in which to answer questions. Now to your first minute. This is a visual question. Identify the following actor.
Denzel Washington.
Who discovered Jamaica?
Nobody had captured that.
Who is the oldest Jamaican female athlete to run at the Olympics?
Oldest female athlete, Marlene Hattie. No,
List 4 of the ugliest Jamaican entertainers.
She's ugly. Ninja
Translate the following track and speak English. Just a minute. Una pareja no es una buena idea. Correct.
You know, I watch some more, it's too bright.